walang hangganan, dahil ang minsan ay magpakailan. Sheila, Raquel.
Hi.
Yes.
With Chanel.
Chanel is there.
Chanel. And the sister and Chanel is there.
Yan ang apple tray ni Ate Jesse. Yan, saksakan ng bunga, hitik na hitik.
At maraming nahuhulog.
Yes, ayan oh. Ang daming nahulog sa puno. O yan. Thank you for watching. See you all next time. Baboos. Raquel is there.
Yes.
Bye.